Okay, now that our beam is ready for detailing, now we're going to start doing the detailing. First, we're going to take an offset of 2 inches. Even though the clear cover for beams is 1.5 inches, again, we're doing this so that our detailing looks good to the human eye and it can be readable. And the values that are going to be given will act as the original values. Okay. So we come over here and we're going to do 2 inches offset, one from here, one from here. Now we're going to select both of these lines and we're going to change their layer to the rebar layer that we had previously made. Now the rebar layer, it seems that this rebar layer is quite thin, so we're going to increase its thickness. So let's go to by layer and do 30 mm, 0.30 mm. Okay, now the rebars are kind of ready, and you can see there's supposed to be the hooks here, right over here. So to do that, what we are going to do is we're again going to take an offset of 2 inches at first. There you go, 2 inches from this side, and right after that we're going to take an off 1 inch. There you go, 2 inch and 1 inch there, and we're going to do the same on the other side. But before we do that, what we're going to do is we're just going to match the properties of this to this and this. There we go, it's done. Now what we do is trim this axis part, trim this part, trim this part, and whatever else is left here we don't need. We're just going to accidentally select the grid line as well. We're just going to select that and delete that. Just going to select that and delete that. We don't need that. There you go, it's done. Now we're going to hold on to this and we're going to bring it at center point. Again, let it go, hold on to this, bring it at center point. There you go, and we're going to trim off this axis part. There, it's done. It's all done. Now we're going to go over to the other side and we're going to do the same process. Let's do an offset of 2 inches first. There you go. Now an offset of 1 inch. There we go. Now we just come over here to the match property. There, it's done. Now we're going to do the trim work. Trim, 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 trim. Select, 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 delete. Now let's just bring this right over there and this right over there. Now we trim up this axis part. There we go. There, voila, it's done. Now we come over here. There's still some trimming to do. As you can see that this lines are not trimmed in a right way, so we're just going to trim them. Trim, trim, trim. I think I trimmed something that I'm not supposed to. No, it's okay. Okay, now we go back to our trimming. Let's trim this side, this side, this side, this side. Right over here, trim this, 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 this. Okay. Let's come back over here, trim this, 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 this. Okay. You come right over here, trim this, 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 this. Now we're going to delete these two. And voila, it's done. So let's keep it at that in this video, and we're going to continue on from here in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.